Welcome to Traders' War Room, where the market is a war zone and stocks are our battlefield. Every trade is a victory, waiting to happen. Whether you're a seasoned veteran or a fresh recruit, TWR has everything you need to dominate. From cutting-edge analytical tools to real-time data that delivers accurate signals and alerts, equips you with the tactical advantage to thrive. We want you to strive to thrive in 2025. Join TWR today and build your financial freedom together as a team of market warriors, and destroy the market with accuracy and precision. If we're leading the charge with our bold campaign, it's time to start viewing the market as a war zone and stocks as battles, to attack and conquer, ultimately winning with consistency. We realize you have many options, all promising financial growth, but quit wasting your time and money on crap that overpromises and underdelivers. There's a reason why TWR is all the buzz. Traders' War Room is a professional platform you can trust, a comprehensive one-stop shop with something for all. Your search is over. Together, we'll build your financial freedom and turn goals into realities. Get ready and let's go to war. Check us out at traderswarroom.com. The link's in the description. I'll see you when the market bell rings. So how did TWR do today? Glad you asked. Let's check some trades. We trimmed NVDA swing above 3 from 145, good for over 100%. Did a SPY day trade, but after a trim we decided to swing some with current trend. Not bad with a move from 150 to over 2. Pins was an excellent move multiple times today. Tailwinds on our side, swinging some after trims. 25 to over 30 on a quick catalyst trade. All in all, over 1.5K on the day. Goal at the small account level should be $100 to $1,000 per day. Any of these trades could have been yours, whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started. TWR has you covered. Quit wasting time and money and join the team. You're just missing out chilling on the sidelines. All right, enough messing around. Was getting to the main part of the video. Stay tuned at the end for current and upcoming deals and promotions. As a reminder, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Remember, TWR gives good for free, but great is on our premium content. So quit wasting time and money on junk and join today. Links are in the description. So we had some big catalysts in the market today. I want to talk about some of those. First, I want to talk about Trump announcing that $100 billion private sector investment for artificial intelligence infrastructure. That news sent Oracle stock to the stratosphere. SoftBank saw an increase as well, which makes this particular stock very intriguing for shares long and leap options. And Nvidia is seeing some tailwinds blow their direction too. Always a favor of mine for a day trade and short swing. But as I've been saying for a long time now, you need to be getting a position in your long-term portfolio with this as a core investment. So it's important to note that this primarily is a private sector initiative. But you're going to have some publicly traded stock companies that are going to get some extra volume their way. Names like Oracle, of course, Nvidia, Microsoft, and ARM will all see some positive return on investment off of this deal. This initiative will invest $500 billion at least over the foreseeable future and create upwards of 100,000 American jobs. The big push on this particular endeavor was the one and the need to have this type of technology homegrown in the USA and to be the leader of this era of AI. The next thing I want to talk about is crypto, specifically Bitcoin, and the announcement of new ETSs that aim to put some risk mitigation with the speculation of being regulated, and therefore being seen more as a legitimate instrument of currency. This, however, does not stop the meme craze from taking advantage. Two very popular tokens that have came from the president's inauguration have been the Trump token and Melania token. And both assets plus other crypto and blockchain assets will be tracked as well as they trend off of pro-crypto administration. Now, I don't typically really advocate for crypto that much. I tend to be a more traditional trader and investor, but a trend is a trend and money is money. However, two assets that I really enjoy, and I see a legitimate future, not so much because of the crypto stuff but more of the blockchain, is Solana and XRP. Some other potential investments I enjoy due to their function like XRP. I won't go into specifics. You can refer to the video for more details. Otherwise, I'll share my favorites and move on to the main bulk of trades I like this weekend and beyond. I like Solana. Chainlink is one of my preferred assets in my crypto portfolio. I like the applications that it can use to convert into smart contracts inside of the blockchain. I have a little access to the meme stuff buying into the Trump token. I don't fully believe this will actually go anywhere long term, but ride the wave while the ocean is rocky. And I buy into a little bit of Dogecoin. Again, this one's a more speculative play, but I have a ridiculous low entry on this, and practically unless this thing has a meltdown back into less than 10 cents, I can't lose on this trade. Now that we got all of that taken care of, let's go ahead and hop into some of the trades I prefer going into this week and beyond. Starting with some earnings. As you can see, we're kicking it into high gear with earnings season coming out swinging. Triple M, flagging off of the day. But what really interests me is when you look at the 5-year chart, we are definitely breaking out. So could definitely see a push towards all-time highs. Next, I want to talk about Netflix. And congratulations if you guys followed my video from a couple weeks ago saying to get in early. As you can see, this thing jumped over $100 off of their earnings, and when you look at the 5-year chart, my only reservation is that looking at this chart, you could see that we have Sevi barely broken out from the previous high point. And even with excellent news and stellar earnings, I could still see this one taking a pullback just from essentially people taking some profits because they are up extremely huge. The gamble play would be to watch for a momentum to shift and take a short for about a 20 to 40 point move. Johnson & Johnson could potentially be poised for an explosive move to the upside. It does have a lot of negative news circulating around it, but when you look at the further out chart, you could see why it has piqued my interest for a risky long. You can definitely see that we've been trending slightly to the downside for a while now, but without any real dramatic spikes up or down, breaking out or breaking down, I think that we potentially could be at support, and that would give us an opportunity for the breakout to all-time highs. Kinder Morgan looks very appealing at current level. I like this one for the push to the upside and an eventual breakout from current levels. I like the potential of continuation with this particular stock. We will get their earnings after the market bell, and as long as things stay relatively the same or get better, I like this for the push. These next few are just going to be shotgun blast. Not really interested in these for long-term, but rather just short-term plays. General Electric looks like a good long. Union Pacific looks good off the day. Long-term chart shows an excellent opportunity for the breakout. CSX had a little bit of a decline, but I believe this gives us an opportunity for a bounce play. The long-term chart definitely shows recent higher highs and higher lows, with potentially support being found. NI is always good for a trade. I like it for longs. Finally, let's look at Verizon. I'm not very impressed with this as of late. Looking at the further out chart, you could see where my concern is at. I definitely would bet on a trade short for this one. Alright, that's all I have for you today. But before you go, check out a couple of the upcoming events that Traders War Room has for you. Our 2025 Penny Trade Club opens for funding on 27th January at the Market Bell. Trading the account starts 3 February at the Bell. Read full details at storefront link. It's in the description below. Attention all small accounts. Join us for the 1K to 10K challenge. We started this on 6 January, and today with our swing trade we topped over $4,000. Definitely worth your time and money given the return on investment. Link is in the description, so please consider joining the fund, and I hope to see you tomorrow on the trading floor. Finally, I want to talk about our mutual fund club. An excellent way to see professionals do what they do, and earn passive income from the dividends that we issue at 4% every quarter. The link to join and learn more is in the description, and I highly suggest everyone take advantage of this because the books will close and no new members will be accepted after the market closing bell on 24 January. I created a comprehensive video that breaks down the strategy and everything you could think of dealing with this club. Go to our YouTube channel and type in at Traders War Room and then search for TMF. You'll find a video, watch it, check out what we're offering, and then I know you're gonna love it, so I look forward to seeing a whole bunch of new faces before books close at the end of this week. That's it, we are at the end of the video. Strive to thrive in 2025. We want you to build financial freedom together at Traders War Room. All the links are in the description, and I look forward to trading with you on our platform.
Traders War Room, battlefield lines, charts and tickers, weapons, mines, platoons of stock strategies refined, attack and conquer,